Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Virgos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking these cards. So, these are for your general energies, this is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity, you can stay tuned for that reading, Virgos. And if you are interested in a personal reading, I have a very good friend of mine. She is an intuitive reader. So if you are interested, you can contact her in Fever. I'll be sharing her link in the description, guys. Virgos. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies. We have Two of Spheres in reverse, Nine of Stars, and Neophyte of Moons. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are quite emotional about something. You're worried about something, maybe about some expectations you may have in your career, and you see that it is not happening or it is not going as you had planned. So some expectations are not coming true for you today. Maybe in your work you are getting some important communication today. It may be a work related communication regarding some projects or regarding some assignments, and it may be an important decision coming to your notice today. For most of you, I see it as something good, something positive, confirming the beginning of a new project or an assignment. But for some of you, it may be a stressful news. Certain things may get delayed or suspended in your work circumstances, Virgos. And you are a very dedicated person, devoted to whatever you do, and whatever choices you make, you stand by those choices. That may be your energy in this relationship. You are a very responsible person and you want this relationship to work, make this relationship to work, and you are trying your best, being really honest, and you are a very loving and caring person. And maybe you are quite emotional today for some reason. Maybe you may have some kind of an information or a news about this person you love, and you are afraid that this person may leave you, and you love them, you want them in your life, but you are having some fears. So let's see what is the card for your relationship, guys. It's Postulant of Stars. So with this card, maybe in your relationship, this may be the energy your person has towards you or you have towards them. Maybe you're thinking or deciding impulsively. You're afraid for some reason. Maybe you fear that this person may leave you for some reason. Maybe you have heard something about them. It may not be the whole truth. So you need to think clearly, and you must not be impulsive. Maybe you are just jumping to conclusions about them. Maybe this person loves you and they will never leave you. So your fears are, for most of you, I see that it's not coming true. You may fear that this person may leave you, but it is not coming true, Virgos. That is what I see with these cards. Maybe it is just your impulsive reaction to hearing these rumors or gossips about them, but gossips may not entirely be true. So you need to assess your situation with clarity. So for your career, we will see what is the card. We have Ace of Sons in reverse. So maybe you may have some kind of a delay or suspension in your work circumstances. You may see it may be something small. With time, everything will fall into place, Virgos. That is what I see with these cards. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Virgos. Hello, hello, hello. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's see what is the first card for you all. So before we see this card, I will keep the second card. Snow White, purity. So with this card, it just means that you are a very kind and compassionate soul, and maybe your circumstances, maybe you have seen a lot of struggles, a lot of stress, and people have rejected you, and there were a lot of jealousy or envy towards you. Whatever toxic emotions or toxic reactions were shown to you, you are someone pure of heart and you are good to everyone. You never show anything bad to anyone, and you do not react in a bad way. You are a person who is a pure soul, a pure heart. Or maybe there is someone like that, and this person is going through a lot of trials, lot of difficulties, but it may be quite painful to go through this circumstance right now for you or for this person you have in your life. But you need to understand that you are going to be triumphant and successful, and goodness will always be rewarded, kindness will always succeed. So you are a person who is kind, compassionate, never showing any negative emotions towards people, never reacting in a bad way, and you are surviving great tests today. So you are going through a lot. So these experiences are giving you a lot of knowledge, making you mature and making you ripe with that divine knowledge. That is the reason you have these experiences, and these experiences are nothing compared to the depth of your good soul. So whatever may come, it's not going to change you for what you are, for that pure hearted person you are. So that is the energy here, guys, with this card. So you can be happy for that. You can tread on your life path, thinking of yourself, appreciating the good qualities that you have, and being courageous and being strong and determined to walk on this path of life with honesty and with compassion and staying strong in your path. So that is the energy here with this card. So let's see what is the second card for those who chose this second card, we will see what is the card from nothing to everything. So, with this card, for those who chose this card, maybe this oracle card is telling you to let go of that attachment you have over something, maybe over a person, maybe this person you love, some kind of an obsession, some kind of an attachment over your expectations or your dreams, maybe in your career. Maybe you want your dream job and you have certain expectations and you are working towards that. But today, maybe something much better than your dreams is waiting to unfold today. All you need to do is just let go of this expectation. And we need to surrender that story or fantasy we have in our mind, which we go through very often in our mind, because reality is knocking our doors and it is waiting to unfold, and it will be the best thing that can happen for us when universe is guiding those opportunities or the love of our life towards us. So maybe we are obsessed over this person we have with us right now. So our obsession is the reason for something better not unfolding in our life. So when we give up this attachment and when we give up that expectation, we can stop dreaming but start living that dream today. So that is in our hands, guys. So you need to give up all fear, give up fear in this process. Maybe there may be some changes happening, and you need to embrace these changes without expectations. Trust in yourself, trust in that divine spirit in you, and you will see that your fantasy is leading you towards fulfillment. Your all your dreams and plans, whatever you had, if you give up that expectation, it is going to manifest into reality, into your reality, and it is waiting to manifest, and you are pushing it away because of those expectations and attachment. So you need to give up that. So that is the energy here with this card for those who chose this card, guys. So thank you guys for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.